Creative Katie here. Welcome to my channel. This video is all about getting around a creator's YouTube channel, otherwise known as finding what you want. Hi everybody, Creative Katie, Karen Burchill here, and welcome to my studio and my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of me giving you a tutorial on an art journal page or mixed media piece, an organization video, a technique video, this video is all about helping you navigate and get around and find things on YouTube channels. Now, I know that the things that I'm going to talk about are going to help you on my channel. Not all creators have organized their channel in the same way, but definitely try the tips and tricks that I'm going to be giving you on all the channels that you watch, and hopefully it'll help you source out what you're looking for a whole lot faster. So I'm going to flip the camera down, actually take it off the tripod and hold it, grab my laptop, and I'm going to show you some ways that you can help yourself get around YouTube. So what you're looking at right now is my channel. Now yours, when you bring up my channel, either type in Karen Burchill or Creative Katie, both will get you here. This is basically what you will see. Up here you have some channel art. Now over here, in this corner, I have my social media links. So if you click on the Pinterest sign, it will take you to my Pinterest board. You don't have to type in anything. It'll take you to my Twitter account, my blog, my Instagram account. Let me just try that. It's just going to bring me to my Instagram account. As well as Amazon. So all my links are there, and instead of typing in addresses or doing a search, you can just click on those icons and it will take you there. Now you will not see it saying customized channel. I'm going to go to Sean Petit's, who is one of the people that I watch quite often, just to show you what you would see. Now over here, it will say subscribed if you are subscribed to the channel. I'm going to unsubscribe. If you're not subscribed, it will be red, and if you click on it, it will say subscribed. Now here's that bell that I talk about. If you click on that, you can select to get all the notifications for all of them, personalized ones, or none of the notifications from that channel. If you want to be sure to get notified, which means getting an email, getting a pop-up in YouTube. It'll come up over here in the notifications section. It'll just warn you that there is a video by me, and then you can go and check and see if it's something that you would like. So I'm going to switch back to my channel, and we'll keep talking, but just keep in mind that because it's my own channel, this part here you would not see. You would see the subscribe part. So on the side right here, it says I watch these channels. These are people, these are YouTubers, these are creators that I watch. I get my inspiration. I watch YouTube videos. These are some of the people that I watch. And at different times, I change who I'm watching and when I'm watching and those kind of things. So it's not always the same. Now on the home tab here, that's basically what you're going to see. It has Mixed Media Tutorials by Creative Katie. And if I hit this little arrow, it will scroll through some of them. If I click on a video, it will bring up that video. Mixed Media Art Journaling Techniques, Craft Hacks and Studio Organization, Gel Printing and how to create and use them, and Popular Uploads. I, as the creator, have chosen those particular playlists to be featured on this tab on my home page. They are the most popular. So if you're looking for some of the most popular things or the things that people seem to want the most, you can just scroll through that. Now, I've also organized all my videos, and there are 500 plus videos into playlists, and they are created playlists that I have. So I'm just going to click on that. Now I'm going to read the names of all my playlists, just so you know what's in there. Now, things that belong in these groups are that's how I've organized it. So I've got craft fair ideas. I've got index card a day 2019. I have a playlist called Art Journaling for Beginners, where I put videos that are specific for beginners. I've got my quote journal, art journal tutorials. I've got my Build Your Mixed Media Art Journal Stash, and there's 23 videos. Mixed Media Minis, Mixed Media Canvas, iCAD 2017. My Mixed Media Technique Tag Series, 24 videos. They're all in this file folder, so to speak. So if you go here and you click on this playlist, you'll bring up the first video. Then on the side, here it will list all the videos that are in there, and you can scroll through and select one, or you can just set it to loop playlist and go through and binge watch on techniques if that's what you want. Other playlists that I've created over the years, another iCAD one, Mixed Media Tidbits and Tips. Try It Tuesday, it was a challenge series. Back to the Basics series. Christmas videos. Craft hacks and craft solutions. Gel printing, create them and use them. Art Journal Mixed Media Tutorials by Creative Katie. 186 videos in that playlist. Another one, Mixed Media Technique, Art Journaling Technique videos. Homemade Stamps, Creative Katie with Yvonne. ATCs, I have my extensive Inktense tutorial series. I've got Journaling by Fives, and I've got Art Studio Organization and Saving. So I've done some of the work for you by organizing them into playlists. So if you know you want an organization video, you can go to the playlist that talks about organization. Now again, not every creator has created playlists or have organized their videos, and it's not exactly perfect. There are some videos that should be in there that didn't manage to get into the right playlist, or there are some videos that might end up in more than one video or more than one playlist. Now I'm going back here to the video tab, and if you look, it shows underneath there my most recent videos, and it gives you the thumbnail and a brief description of that video. Click on it, it will take you to the video. Now, here is what a lot of people do not know. You can sort this in two ways. You can hit this button, it says sort by. I can sort this by most popular, date added, the oldest, and date added, the newest. Now, if I do most popular, that gives you the information about what are all the videos that have had the most views that Karen has created. So my Inktense series has a lot of views. My printing on deli or tracing paper, craft hack. So it's just showing you which videos are very popular. And the idea being that if other people have found them interesting, you might as well, especially if you're a beginner. You can sort it by the oldest if you want to go and see some of my very beginning videos, and please be kind. Because like I said, there have been over 500 videos, and I have been doing YouTube videos for over 4 years now. Now, that gives a general kind of sort, and there's value there. But what will give you the most bang for your buck is over here you have the little magnifying glass. If you click on there and type, let's type finger painted florals. So yeah, I watched some video of Karen's and she had finger painted florals. I want to see what else she's done, because lots of times people ask, and you click enter, it will come up with videos that have me using my finger painted floral technique. Now, as you scroll down, the further down you get, the less likely it is to actually go together. But the first few will give you what you wanted. So if you wanted to go in here, and excuse me if I'm wobbling here, technique. Now, if I've used the word technique in the title up here or in the description down here, it should show up when you do a search. Now, technique is a very open category. But if I want it specifically to say, okay, you know, Karen, I know you do negative painting. I'm going to type that in, and I'm going to come up with some videos where I am using the negative painting technique. And I can just go and watch all of those. If you want to type in a theme, say you wanted starfish. Now again, I've had to use that in the description or in the title. But let's see what comes up. So there you have, I've got some starfish that are showing up. There's 4 videos that are going to match that search. So that is a great way to go to your favorite creators and find what they have in what you're looking for. So if you hit the community tab, this brings you, I can give messages to you, and I do periodically. I might advertise something that's coming up. I might put a poll here. I might have a picture to share with you, and you can just see. It's a place that we can communicate back and forth. This is not being used a whole lot at this point in time, but it's there, and I just wanted to explain that to you. So, easily access my social media by clicking on the icon up here. Use the playlist tab to find videos that the creator, which is me, has organized into file folders or playlists for you. Go to the video tab and do a search with the magnifying glass for themes, techniques, ideas, and come up with the videos quickly without scrolling through 500 some odd videos. So if you found this tutorial on how to get around a creator's YouTube channel helpful, give me a thumbs up, share it with your creative friends, spread the word so that we can utilize YouTube all the better. And we can find what we want and spend our time watching the videos we want to watch as opposed to looking for the videos. Bye for now.